Taking a look at the latest COVID-19 numbers, there are now 1,830 active cases. 104 Arkansans are in the hospital. 4,583 have recovered and 125 have died. But the big news today, there were 261 new cases since yesterday, all of them coming out of the community.
And that's the largest jump in community cases in a 24-hour period. Now, even though the number of cases has gone up, Governor Hutchinson saying the results are not all bad. The state is consistently staying under the national positivity rate of 10%. Keep in mind, testing has increased significantly this month. Nearly 3,000 Arkansans were tested yesterday alone. Meanwhile, Dr. Nate Smith with the Health Department announcing today two new trends in the last few weeks. The first has to do with younger people.
74% have reported no symptoms at the time they were tested. So we are seeing younger, we're seeing people who don't have symptoms at the time that they test positive.
The second trend relates to the 261 new cases that surfaced in the last 24 hours. 42% of the individuals have Spanish surnames, meaning there are challenges in the Hispanic community, according to Dr. Smith, and that increased outreach is needed.
Alexis Wainwright in Clark County talking to people about their thoughts on the second peak of COVID-19 in the natural state.
Arkansas saw its biggest increase in COVID-19 cases in the community on Thursday. Tonight, I talked with Arkansans in Clark County who saw 37 cases, and most of them recover, but many say they're still concerned.
That's scary.
James Schuff says it's unsettling after hearing about a new record of coronavirus cases across the state in 24 hours.
It's almost a wake-up call to say, what's ahead for us. We need to maintain our vigilance and be careful.
Arkansas continues to see an uptick in cases since May 23rd, when Governor Asa Hutchinson announced the natural state's second peak.
What I'm seeing out in public is people aren't wanting to wear masks in grocery stores or restaurants.
74% of the state's positive cases in the last 2 weeks were not showing symptoms, according to Dr. Nate Smith with the state's Department of Health.
People saying, oh, this whole thing is a hoax, or they're blowing it out of proportion. It's not that bad. Yes, it is. We've had over 100,000 people in this country die from this.
Meanwhile,
I really didn't want to put the stupid mask on and bow down and say, I fear.
Donna says she doesn't believe in the virus at all. She only wears this mask to get service while out at restaurants.
It's very concerning, and it's hard to know what's coming next.
Local business owner Shelly Hughes says it's been tough trying to enforce rules for customers, and it becomes concerning as more cases are reported.
Every day is a concern, and it seems like every day is something new and something new to worry about.
And as we move forward in the reopening phases, it may be exciting but also concerning for folks like Schuff.
It'll be nice to have things open back up. I hope we don't get more sickness out of it.
When it comes to flattening the curve, state leaders say that Arkansans are doing a good job, but they can do better. Reporting in Little Rock, Alexis Wainwright, back to you.